vision of awakening thousands of people to the experience of enlightenment. We began in the state of Bihar in India and traveled across many cities in India, many countries, and today we are here with you. What is enlightenment? Many of you would have heard that word many times. Some of you would have had a glimpse of it. Enlightenment is a state where you move beyond all forms of division caused by the conditioned mind that consists of religious conditioning, cultural conditioning, social conditioning. It moves beyond the division of race, color, comparison that's born through intelligence, religions, every form of division that is created by our conditioned mind. When you move beyond that, you are in a state of enlightenment.